What's going on, everyone, and welcome to this video. I am super excited to talk about Real Rise Academy. I know you see the hype, and it's not hype. I just want to get that out the way. I know you see what's going on, and you don't understand what's going on and why people love this opportunity and why people are hopping from different opportunities to take advantage of this opportunity. And we're going to get straight into it. What is Forex? Forex is known as a foreign exchange market. It's a $6.6 trillion a day industry. Myself personally, I've been trading Forex since 2015. I'm not a master trader, but I understand the skill set and how you can make money out of it. In the foreign exchange markets, you can make money off the buying and selling power of different currencies. So here you have the euro against the USD. As you can see, this is a mobile MT4 view, and it shows you how easy it is for you to capitalize off of the markets. There's buy entries and there's sell entries, and you make money off the ups and downs of different currency pairs in the market. It's just that simple. Of course, a lot of individuals don't have the mental capacity to go through overcomplicated situations when it comes to learning Forex, right? So this is why I love Real Rise. This is why Real Rise is on the rise right now. Simplicity is key. An educational platform being used by hundreds and thousands of people worldwide to develop the skill set and strategy to succeed in the Forex and crypto markets. We have online educational course, artificial intelligence, live trading session, copy and paste signals, Q&As, and we show you how to get funded on this platform with a funded account. That is very powerful. I want you guys to understand that, and we're going to talk more about that in the next slides. So learning is simplified when it comes down to the Real Rise movement. People don't understand that, again, like I said prior before, it is already hard to learn Forex. Imagine somebody coming in and making it more complicated and making it sound more like Chinese and anything. You're like, what am I actually really learning over here? People don't realize there's a lot of money to be made in the foreign exchange markets, but because people make it so complicated, they don't understand how to capitalize in the markets. So you get to learn from institutional traders. You have instant access to courses and real-time trade ideas, live trading calls, and community charts, and more. We have live trading calls Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We have our London session, and we have our New York session. And as you can see, you see the times right here. And again, you see I'm going through this very quickly because it's very simple. If you have a busy lifestyle, it's no problem. We have the copy and paste system with our Real Rise app. And I must say, this app, it is super clean. My notifications pop up. I go to the Real Rise app. After I click the notification, I copy and paste the trade ideas into my MT4 platform. It is just that simple. The first step to getting started on this platform, you actually need to go through the videos step by step to be able to learn how to utilize the platform and get familiar with Forex, especially if you're new to this opportunity. The copy and pasting is so easy, even a 4-year-old could do it. That's how simple this is. And this is the reason why the hype is going crazy. And again, it's not hype because the results are really coming out of the quote unquote hype that people are putting out there, right? Results are really coming out of here. And this is why people are so excited, including myself. Imagine now you get to copy and paste different trade ideas from gold, crypto, as you can see, US 30, the regular Forex pairs, you name it. Monday through Sundays, there are trade ideas coming out every single day for you to capitalize and make money in this market. Who wouldn't want to make proactive income? And of course, as you can see, these are our real results. It's very simple. Don't risk more than 1%. The chart on the side shows you the risk reward factor and strategy that Real Rise actually has. Look, for example, with this strategy, you risk $10 to make $300 in your account. You risk $100 to make $3,000. You risk $1,000 to make $30,000. So with this strategy that they're utilizing and putting out in the trade ideas for us to take advantage of, it's very lucrative for somebody to take advantage of it themselves to capitalize in this market and be a profitable trader. Now you can see how you could earn while you learn, right? We all hear that cliche comment, earn while you learn. No, you're really gonna be earning by taking the copy and paste trade ideas, and you're gonna be learning on the back end. Even though I've been a part of the learning process of Forex since 2015, because I don't feel like anybody's a master of anything. If you're a master of anything, that means you don't need to learn anymore. And if you're not learning, you're dying. That's what I feel. There's always room to learn. So even through my whole tenure since 2015, learning in the foreign exchange markets, I still personally myself went through this education through the app, and it was phenomenal. Again, you're gonna have to try it yourself to quote me and see if I'm wrong. But for me, after learning from since 2015, this was amazing and simple, and I felt confident to share something like this with somebody. And of course, I feel confident to tell my family about this because we have simple steps for somebody to start creating proactive income for themselves. And again, the question is not if this works. The question is, how can you leverage money to make more money? And this is what I was talking about earlier about becoming a funded trader. Again, we have different funded traders that came through this platform that became, of course, they became a funded trader because of this platform. And that's phenomenal. Imagine being able to get a leverage account of up to $200,000+ and using our trade ideas in our live trading sessions to be able to pass those tests. So here's how it works. In these funded challenges, if you haven't heard about it, FTMO, you see it on the Forbes, you see it everywhere around the world and the internet right now. With FTMO, you have to pass a test. You have to do a demo count first. So all that means is you have to trade fake money first before they actually let you trade real money and actually give you the real percentage off of it. So people have to pay for those tests to take the test. But imagine if you paid for that test and you fail. Now you have to go pay again for that test and you might potentially fail again. From Real Rise and the live trading sessions, it helps people pass this test. Now they're getting funded accounts and be able to become a funded trader. Now they're using OPM, other people's money, to make money in the markets. And here's how this is powerful. As you can see, option one, your money, $1,000, 20 to 40%, that's about $200 to $400 monthly. Option two, you have a funded account, $20,000 to $40,000 monthly, because now you're leveraging off of that $200,000+ account. That is very crazy. Again, it sounds unrealistic until you make it real. This is why it's called Real Rise. This is why we're a part of this movement. This is why I love this opportunity. We love simplicity when it comes to the Real Rise movement, and this is why this is very powerful. And as you can see, we have some results. $3,300 profit, basically $1,000 profit. You can pause this video and actually go through it yourself. Even more results, because again, people lie, but numbers don't. Outside of these slides that I'm showing you, there's multiple results that people are getting. Past profits are not indicative of future results. So just because somebody got their personal results, that's their personal results. Doesn't mean that you're gonna get the same results as them. But we give the tools to make it easier for you to have similar results so that you can find success in the markets finally. Because we all know, if you're watching this video, you probably did dabble in the foreign exchange market, and just like myself back in the day, blew your account a couple times and lost a lot of money and kept it to yourself and didn't tell anybody. And when I was able to find tools that actually work for me, that was the best thing that ever happened to me in my entire life, because it provided value in order for me to be profitable in the foreign exchange market. People say that you have to learn every single ounce of information when it comes to trading Forex. No, you just have to find a strategy that works for you. And this strategy, especially when they implement it with the copy and paste, and all we gotta do is copy and paste the trade ideas and hop on live sessions, and now we can become profitable traders, is phenomenal. So here is the price point. This is what we've all been waiting for. To become a customer right now is $247 one-time fee and $197 per month. You get access to in-depth Forex training course, join our live trading calls, fully integrated Real Rise mobile app like I talked to you about, real-time trade ideas with push notification like I told you about, and full access to millionaire mentorship. When I say there's millionaire mentorship in this platform, there's millionaire mentorship in this platform. And it's not about just the opportunity that you take, it's taking the opportunity to take advantage of the people that's in the opportunity, because you never know who you're gonna come across when you take advantage of these type of opportunities. I know you like that, right? The last piece with this is learning how to get your monthly subscription waived. We told you that it costs $247 to join, right? And it costs $197 per month. With this platform, we allow people to enroll 2 personal customers, and as long as those customers remain active, you will get your monthly subscription waived. Imagine if you were excited about this platform, right? And now you want to share with somebody. Now you get to get your monthly subscription waived because you shared it with somebody. And now they get to share that same experience with somebody else. And now it puts us in a position to where you could potentially make income, right? So if you're watching this video, I want you to get back to the person that sent you this video, because right now is the time to take advantage of this opportunity. Opportunity comes to everyone, but it waits for no one, right? So when you see one that's really working, not just for others, but the masses, that's when you really have to take a look and you have to take a calculated risk. Every investment requires a level of risk, but success doesn't come without risk. So if you want some type of success, even if it's little, you have to take even a small ounce of risk. And I'm telling you guys, utilizing this product will change your life forever, potentially. Because again, just because somebody else got results doesn't mean you're gonna get the same results. But we put people in position to win at a high level if they take advantage. So get back to the person that sent you this video right now and get started today. If you saw this video on my YouTube channel, click the link in the description below and get started right now.